Recently, ASMR fruit cutting videos have become incredibly popular. Many people are using Google VEO 3 to create these videos, but unfortunately, Google V3 is only accessible in certain regions and not available globally. Don't worry. This video will show you a completely free and unrestricted method to generate stunning ASMR videos in just 5 minutes, without needing VEO 3. First, click the link in the comments below to open Dreamvid. Find the Text to Image option and enter the provided command. I'll also include the command in the description for you to use and modify as you like. Look, the image is generated quickly. It looks great. Next, open Kling AI, and I'll provide the link in the comments as well. Find the Text to Video option, set your desired duration, enter the command, and wait for 2 minutes. Let's see the result. Wow, the effect is amazing. It's just as impressive as what VEO 3 can produce. Click the links below to use Dreamvid and Kling AI for free. Okay. That's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.